Much of Minnesota can get back to work today as the stay-at-home order is done and the Stay Safe Minnesota initiative takes its place. That does mean shops can be back in business as long as they limit their customers to half capacity. We know that Rosedale, Ridgedale, shops at Arbor Lakes and Burnsville Center will all open today, but when we checked, not many of their stores are going to be open. As of last night, just 25 of the roughly 200 stores at Rosedale were ready to open today. Von Maur, the biggest of them. Mall of America is going to wait and not reopen until June 1st. There is a lot that goes into letting customers into the stores. The Galleria spent the weekend cleaning, removing communal seating areas, putting signage throughout the mall to help ease up foot traffic flow. Similar work going on at Rosedale. Expect to see a lot of signs about social distancing, staying clean. Employees will wear masks and customers are encouraged to do the same. This is the type of plan retailers must have in order to operate at half capacity under the governor's new order.
So in addition to the mall having to follow CDC guidelines and the state of Minnesota guidelines, each individual store also has a set of rigorous guidelines that they need to meet.
This is also the day many small business owners have been waiting for. We are live at Pink Door Boutique at 50th and France in Edina this morning. They clean their store, they'll provide hand sanitizer for customers and remove some of their displays to allow for social distancing.
State leaders do expect more cases of COVID-19 as these businesses reopen. Bars, restaurants, and salons, they still can't open until June 1st. Governor says that by then we will have increased testing, tracing, and isolating the virus throughout the state. Minnesota has run at least 5,000 tests a day since Wednesday, and with more tests, we know comes more cases. The state has now topped 15,000 confirmed cases in total. 722 patients have died, but more than 10,000 have recovered. Wisconsin now has more than 12,500 who have tested positive for COVID-19. Just over 450 people have died there, but more than half have recovered. Minnesota's 2020 legislative session is over.
The House is adjourned. Sine die.
The House and Senate adjourned at midnight last night without passing a critical bonding bill. So that would have funded transportation projects, also projects at the University of Minnesota and Minnesota State Universities.
The reality is that the Democrats tried to pass a bonding bill in the House that was twice as large as a bonding bill that's ever been passed in Minnesota, and the Republicans didn't support it.
The House GOP minority was not willing to negotiate and find a solution at this point in time. We weren't not able to get there. My hope is in the coming weeks that they will be willing to have those conversations so we can get something done.
I think we need to give them more certainty.
Governor Tim Walz is expected to call a special session. That would be set for June 12th, but he is going to talk to the media today at 11 a.m.